Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to look at the updated Get Started page for the upcoming Canvas starter site. We're going to look at the light and dark mode versions have both been updated. I just wasn't happy personally with the design entirely, so I decided to redo some things, simplify it, clean it up, enhance the design overall. So let's go ahead and dive in. As we see here, there are two tabs for List and Explore. So List is obviously for the listing owners that want to potentially list on the platform. And the Explore tab is for those that are wanting to explore the listings, your shop, that sort of thing. Okay. So let's just break this down a little bit. There's a header placeholder I put in there for you just to give you an idea of what I would put in there for a heading at the top of both of these tabs here. So this gives you the flexibility of adding separate messages on each of those tabs rather than just one global message at the top. Okay, under the list tab, the first one we've got for a CTA, you'll see here that they are numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4, kind of like, the idea is left or right for steps out as they progress in their customer journey through your platform, through your website. And as we progress from left to right, the colors get darker and darker, just to kind of show that natural progression. First up is join. If they click that button or the card, it's going to pull up the login page. If they click claim, they're going to get this claim listing pop-up. And these pop-ups that I'm showing here are separate from the template. These are separate templates that are called up that are all available from the club. Okay, so if they want to see if they want to claim a listing or if a listing is on the platform already, and just type in a letter, and then we come up with this nice quick search here. Okay, this is actually made possible by a special code snippet. This isn't allowed by default with MyListing to do this quick search within a pop-up, so that's a pretty cool feature. Next up, we have list. This is going to pull up a different pop-up, and our listing types are here on the left that they can choose from. They click these, and I'll go ahead and open this one in a new tab. Typically, you just click on the card and it would take you there. But this will take you to the add listing flow for that listing type. Okay. And then over time, this starter site's going to get all kinds of different listing types added to it. So this whole thing will fill up here eventually as we go along. Okay. So that's that. And then reach is going to take them to a reach further page where they can learn of ways to make the most of your platform, whether it's promoting their listings or anything along the lines of just like using your platform to boost their business is going to be on that reach further page. Moving over to the Explore tab, if they click Explore, they're going to get a similar pop-up that kind of looks like the Add Listing pop-up, and then they can click on these tabs or these CTAs, and then that'll go to the Explore page where they can browse by that listing type. If they click on bookmark, they're going to get a little bit of an education on what bookmarking listings is all about. And then I have like a little, what I call a club note down here at the bottom, that gives you the idea there. The idea is to include a screenshot highlighting the bookmark quick action for listings. So if you ever looked at a listing, there's that quick action that says, save or bookmark or whatever you want to call it, favorite. That's what that's referring to. And the idea is to add an image here where this placeholder is. It's like a screenshot. There's also a link in this pop-up that if they click that, it's going to drop them right into their dashboard where the bookmarks are. Okay, so let's pull up that one more time. Find listings you love and save them to your bookmarks. So that's taking them there and showing them where that would happen. Next up is connect, and the idea there is when they're ready to make connections, then they would join your platform. And then next up is shop, and that will take them to the shop page. Let me go back here. There is another pop-up that's got another link in it. I think it's claim, maybe? Yeah, claim. Find and take control of any listings you have on our platform. No listings to claim. Click here to add one. And then if they click that, it's going to drop that pop-up off and then pull up this one over on the left. As you see, that is also a feature that is specially added to the site. That's not a thing that works like that by default. So another perk. All right, next up I'm going to show you the dark mode version. And then we'll look at mobile responsiveness, and then I'll get you out of here. So as we see, everything looks good in dark mode. Got that same progression in there as far as light to dark. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the tablet view. Looks good. And then mobile and phone. There we go. That looks good. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.